Hello gardening friend, today we're going to head over to the garden and we're going to harvest our Daikon radishes. Not sure if we're going to get anything or not because I left them in the ground all winter. They may have rotted and some of them are going to seed already. Let's go over it and we'll see what we get. All right, so let's see what we got here. See, this one looks like it's past its prime, sort of rotted, but it might still have some usable radish out of the bottom of that. Might be able to chop that off. And I'm gonna go ahead and bake these in the oven. Oh, this one looks like it has some usable as well. Oh, that looks nice. Very nice. I can feed the tops to the bunnies too, or I could eat the tops as well. Nice. Getting a better harvest here than I was thinking I would. Again, that top rotted off, but it looks like they're still usable on the bottom. Same thing here. Here's one with a nice top. You can see it started going to seed there on the top. There's another nice looking radish. There's a little tiny one that never really took off. And there's even a tiny little French breakfast radish in there because I did have French breakfast radishes planted in here as well, which I ate some of them out of here and some of them just got overcrowded by the daikon. All right, now I got this bed ready to put some compost in it and plant something else. So let's give the bunnies these daikon radish tops and see how they like them. Hello ladies, would you like some radishes this morning? I think they're getting pretty excited about it. Oh yeah. Would you say you like these on a scale of 1 to 10? How much do you like them? Well, I guess nobody's wanting to talk. All right, ladies, I'll let you alone so you can enjoy your breakfast. That's a nice little harvest of a square foot bed of Daikon radishes. If you like this video, give me a like. That really helps my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. We'll see y'all again real soon.